Morning people. So you will have missed, you definitely won't have seen the fact that a particular bill has been passed in the last few days in Parliament that's going into legislation, just needs royal assent and be signed off, which has the potential to dramatically change everyone's lives forever. It's got a very boring title, the Data Use and Access Bill. The clue is in the title because it gives complete access to pretty much anybody that the government deems should have it, and complete freedom of use to any of those people of all of your data. And when I say all of your data, I mean absolutely everything about you. Everything from your school records, work and employment history, tax records, medical records, criminal records, social media use, social media postings, financial transactions, financial spending habits, everything you buy, everything you sell, tickets bought, travel, all of your data effectively can now be collected, centralised, documented, analysed. But then what makes it worse is that the government can allow access to that data to pretty much anyone they deem might need it, whether that's anything to do with law enforcement, anything to do with medicine, local councils, local council bodies, housing organisations, HMRC, literally anyone. But it goes further. Technology companies, if they feel that technology companies that use AI for whatever purpose that might be, to analyse and provide data and analytics on certain services, then they can just give that data to them. It takes away the effective copyright and protection of material and content that you've made. So if stuff you put online you no longer own, effectively the government can give that to whoever they want, technology companies, AI companies, and they can just utilise it and use it. And none of this has to be done with your permission. You don't have to even be made aware by any of these authorities that they're doing it, that they're collecting it, that they're using it. They can just harvest it and do what the hell they like with it and not even ever tell you about it. So how is that going to be used going forward? Every single thing, it's really windy, every single aspect of your life, everything that you do, many of the things that you say, most of the actions that you take, most of your finances, all being collected, analysed, scrutinised, documented without any permission whatsoever from you. And it's not just for individuals, this now applies to businesses as well. So business data, business emails, business financial data, financial transactions carried out by businesses, anything that any business does, exactly the same rules apply to. All of their data completely scrutinised, handed over to technology companies and AI companies if the government deem that appropriate. Basically, it's the end of privacy, and it's just been signed off and gone through Parliament, and nobody knows anything about it because there's been zero publicity, pretty much zero scrutiny. I suspect that most of the MPs in Parliament don't even know what it's about, haven't read it and don't care. It is George Orwell writ large, 1984 on your doorstep in 2025. And it's happened, it's too late, it's gone through. There's no going back, unless a future government potentially gets in and completely repeals it. Is that going to happen? I don't know. So go and look it up, the Data Use and Access Bill. The most Orwellian totalitarian bill potentially that's been passed, certainly in living memory, if not ever, in this country. Go and give it some scrutiny.